Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing some saltfish stuffed ripe plantains, and I purchased 3 ripe plantains from the store. Now the skin is just plain yellow. Now I would have preferred if it had some slightly black spots on there so it would be more ripe. So these plantains, I placed them in the oven to bake for about 30 minutes. And the color, I didn't have the desired color. So what I did was I fried them up just so I could get that brown, crispy outlook of the plantains before I stuff them. Yes, I've got this natural sunscreen, them called melanin. And you can see my inner beauty, and it's genuine. Ancestral lands, yes, I'm heading in. Hey, so clap your hands. I love the jump. Africans. I love the jump. So clap your hands. I love the jump. So I got the desired color I was looking for, which is nice brown, crispy. So I'm gonna start taking them out from the frying pan. Now I'm going to start with the sauteing of my saltfish. I'm starting with about a half a teaspoon of curry powder. That's the Chief's curry powder. And to that I added some paprika, some black pepper, and some lemon and pepper seasoning just to enhance the taste. And to that I'm now adding my seasoning, which is grated garlic, chopped onion, chopped parsley, chopped chive or green onions, tomatoes. I also grated some carrots, and I have some pimento peppers and sweet peppers in there, all to enhance the taste. Then I added my saltfish. Now to prepare the saltfish, you actually have to boil the salt out. So I changed the water 3 times whilst boiling it out. And I'm just going to continue to saute it so that it gets all the flavors before I add it to the plantain.